welcome to Fabulous Chef. In today's video, we're going to see a very special recipe, which is a prawn spaghetti with white sauce. It's a very delicious recipe. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Let's get started, friends. Let's see the ingredients for this delicious recipe. I've taken 2 large onions, which is finely chopped, 10 garlic cloves, which is finely chopped. Today I've taken about 1 kg of prawns, which is deveined and washed. We need about 1 liter of milk, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, about 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Now let's take a pan. Today I am using a non-stick pan. Into the pan, let's add about 2 tablespoons of butter. Let the butter melt. Now into the pan, let's add the finely chopped garlic. Today I have taken about 10 garlic cloves, which is finely chopped. Stir fry the garlic till it's nice and aromatic. Now let's add about 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. You can alter the chili flakes according to your taste. Now let's add the chopped onions. Today I have taken 2 large onions, which is finely chopped. Stir fry it till they are nice and translucent. Now at this stage, let's add the prawns. The prawns usually cooks very fast. It would take about 2 to 3 minutes and your prawns is cooked well. Do not overcook the prawns. Now at this stage, let's add sufficient salt. You can see that our prawns is cooked and done. It's perfect. At this stage, let's add the all-purpose flour. Today I am using about 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This gives a nice thickness to the sauce. Now stir fry it in the prawns. For about 1 to 2 minutes. Next, let's add the boiled milk. Today I am using about 1 liter of milk. The all-purpose flour helps to thicken the sauce. Keep stir frying. See that there are no lumps. Keep mixing it till the sauce is nice and thick. Now let's add about half a teaspoon of sugar. And let's add the 1 teaspoon of oregano powder. The oregano gives a nice flavor to this dish. It's readily available in departmental stores. Now you can see that our sauce is becoming nice and thick. When we reach the right consistency, we can switch off the flame and keep it aside. I've taken 1 packet of spaghetti, boiled and kept it aside. We need to add salt to the spaghetti when it's boiling. Now you can see that our spaghetti is ready. Into the spaghetti, let's add about 1 teaspoon of butter and sprinkle some oregano and mix it thoroughly and keep it aside. This gives a nice silky texture to the spaghetti. Now you can see that our spaghetti is absolutely ready. At this stage, let's pour the silky white sauce on top of the spaghetti and serve it hot. It's an absolutely delicious recipe. It can be served for dinner or for lunch. Do try this delicious recipe and surprise your family and friends. So that's it, friends. Our delicious prawn spaghetti with white sauce is absolutely ready. Do try this delicious recipe. Like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below. See you all soon with another interesting recipe.